Sometimes it doesn't take much to get the best results. The WAGO Power Supply Base with basic functionalities offers everything you need for a reliable, cost-efficient power supply. WAGO's proven push-in cage clamp allows direct front entry wiring. At just 56 mm wide with 20 amperes, the power supply base saves space while delivering full power. And it remains reliable even at extreme temperatures, ranging from a frosty -30 to a scorching +70 degrees Celsius. Up to 94% efficiency, that means less energy loss and greater performance. And all of this with an MTBF of 1 million hours. The WAGO Power Supply Base. Simple, efficient, reliable.